Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pizza. I teach people how to manifest their best lives and be their highest selves. I have a special guest. Her name is Miss Blue Safira. We've done some collabs on her channel. If you want to go check it out, you should subscribe to her channel. She's fantastic, great, beautiful energy being. Subscribe to her channel. Today, we've got something special for all of you folks who love to study languages like I do. We're going to be giving you a law of attraction success story on how Miss Blue Safira manifested a visa to study abroad in China. We're also going to be giving you some resources for learning Chinese, so stay tuned to the very end so that you can learn and become a good manifester at speaking the Chinese language or the Mandarin language. Let's get started. Basically, she's gonna tell you her law of attraction success story on how she manifested a visa even though she was not a US citizen at the time to study abroad in China. She's gonna be walking us through the 4 steps that she took and the 4 steps that helped her through it. I hope that her story inspires all of you who want to study abroad in China to know that that's possible for you and
Absolutely.
There are no limitations.
Okay, first I would like to say that at the time, I didn't realize I was manifesting it because, well, I grew up in a Catholic household. So everything is about faith, faith, faith. But yeah, manifestation is about having faith and just knowing that whatever you want will happen. The first step I took was just praying. Praying so much. The second step I took was I started lighting candles. I lit a white candle at first because, well, that's what I would see at church. So I bought a bunch of white candles and every day I would light a candle and I would say, I want to go to China. Please, I want to go to China. God, I want to go to China. And eventually I started lighting a white candle and a yellow candle because my mom told me that if you want prosperity in your life, if you want wealth in your life, a yellow candle will help you. And of course, having faith.
So from lighting candles, what happened?
So from there, like I said, I would say, I want to go to China. I want to go to China. I want a visa to go to China. But that I want turned into, I will go to China. Eventually, I wasn't just like, God, help me go to China. I want to go to China. I was like, God, I will go to China. You will help me. I will go to China.
And then I will turned into?
When I go to China. I was like, when I go to China, please help me learn. When I go to China, please help me find good friends. When I go to China, don't let me get lost. I got an email 3 days before our departure date, and they were like, students, congratulations, your visas will arrive on this date at this hour. And I got a text from our teacher, and he was like, hey, Blue Safira, your visa is here. Congratulations, you're going to China.
Yay!
Yay!
So basically, Blue Safira was able to move her desires from can I have it to I will have it, and she shifted and aligned with her manifestation, and we went to China together. I'll link some of the videos down below. Now we are going to be sharing with you some resources for learning and studying Mandarin. So the first thing we want to suggest is watching YouTube videos, and Blue Safira recommended a drama that's actually on YouTube.
It's called Bromance. And no, it's not about 2 men being in love. There is a drama about that. But yeah, I'm not going to get into that
It's
right
called
now. It has the English subtitles. So you have to get used to listening a language. It would help you out a lot, especially once you get to class because, well, your brain is not used to hearing another language. So if you're already used to hearing it, things will be a lot easier for you.
We'll be linking down the link to Bromance down below. And then some apps for studying Chinese are Hello Chinese,
Chinese Skills,
Pleco,
and Viki, which is an app in which you can watch not just Chinese dramas, but Korean, Taiwanese, from all over Asia. And they have English, Spanish, whatever subtitles.
and Drama Fever, where you can also watch dramas. And then lastly, we're going to be recommending to you the university that we study Chinese with in Beijing, because their admission rates are fairly easy to get into, and their prices for classes is really, really cheap. And we stayed actually at a dorm that was only
for international students.
Yeah.
And you can study 2 weeks, a month, a year, 4 years. you can get a master's there as well.
I'll link it down below. Check out their pricing plans. It's super cheap. I highly recommend this university.
Me too.
Highly. I think she's going back, actually.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There you go. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching my content. Go to Miss Busafida's channel. Subscribe to her. Check her out. I love her. She's full of love, full of light. She has good content. Go subscribe to my girl. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Give it a like and subscribe to me as well. Also, if you have any questions about manifesting, learning a new language, or learning a new language in general, leave it down in the comments down below. If you'd like to see another collab from us or a different type of collab, leave that down in the comments down below as well. My life coaching information will be down below as well. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching my content. Sending you so much love and light today. You got this, boo. You're gonna learn that language. You're gonna learn it. You're gonna manifest that visa. You're gonna have your dreams. It's yours. Love you. Bye.